Welcome to Teach Easy English. In this video, I'm going to share a simple trick you can use to remember English vocabulary. The reason I strongly recommend this method is that it works very well. I recently tried a small test myself. I made two lists of new words and tried to learn them. For the first list, I didn't use any special trick. I just used pure repeating. But for the second list, I used the method you are about to see. The next day, I tried to remember what both sets of words meant. For the first list, I could only remember 12%, but for the second list, I remembered an amazing 50%. This result is great, especially since I only spent 1 minute learning each word. Now, I will explain the steps, and then, at the end of this video, I will give you a link to practice this same method. Let's say we want to remember the word quell, which means to stop something, often by force, to quiet or suppress. The first step is to think of another word that sounds similar to quell. The important thing is that this other word must be something you can easily picture, something real you can see in your mind. So, for the word quell, the similar sounding word could be bell, which means a chime or ringing sound, right? Quell and bell sound very much alike. We could also think of the phrase tell. That sounds similar too. Quell, tell. The main thing they share is that they are all things you can easily visualize. This is a key point, and you'll see why it matters soon. We have a few choices, but let's use bell as our similar sounding word. Now, picture a huge, loud ringing bell. Next, our job is to link this image directly to the meaning of the word we want to learn. Again, the meaning is to stop or suppress. That's the main idea. So we can picture a huge crowd of people loudly protesting, but a giant bell starts ringing so loudly that it immediately makes everyone stop talking and quiet down. The bell helps to quell the noise. The sound of the bell will quell the loud crowd. So, the main thing we're doing here is linking the sound of the word to its meaning using a strong picture or short story. We are building a strong link in your mind between them. So, the next time you see this word, the way it sounds will immediately make you think of the story, and then the meaning of the word will come back to you. Let's look at one more example. Imagine we need to learn the word dormant, which means inactive or asleep, temporarily inactive. For the first part, door, we can use the sound-alike door. For the rest of the word, we can use the visual of the door being closed and quiet. Let's use the sound-alike door for our story. So we can picture a very large, heavy wooden door on a giant castle. This door has been closed for 100 years and is just sitting there, not moving or opening. The giant door is dormant, inactive. So, those are two easy ways to use memory tricks to make sure you never forget new vocabulary. Now it's time for you to practice. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Teach Easy English for more simple vocabulary tricks. Let me know in the comments below which word you want to memorize next.